Hello everyone. Today I want to teach you what is an HTML editor. An HTML editor is the type of code editing program that allows you to write HTML, and some even allow you to preview the result in real time. Two types of HTML editors. First one, textual HTML editor, and the second one WYSI WYG HTML editor. HTML text editors are basic programs designed for writing HTML and often check for errors as you go. These programs are useful for basic coding projects and simple HTML editing. Free HTML text editors are available online and for download on all major operating systems. Basic text editors require users to write all HTML code by hand, use or need to perfect every piece of syntax manually, and watch the page from using trial and error. What is WYSI? WYG means what you see is what you get. Allow users to write out code but also edit from the page itself piece by piece. Users insert features such as a paragraph and heading, and the programs generate HTML code automatically. Here there are 17 HTML editors, but I'm going to use brackets for my tutorial. This one that I select, brackets. I'm going to google.com and type the brackets, and then click the website of the brackets, and then download brackets 1.14.2. every time the version is changed. This is the last version of the brackets. After download this, click in the search, type here to search brackets, click the brackets, when you open the brackets, you see some errors dialog box. You have to close it and then come here, file, new, and write a code. Write exclamation mark, doc type, HTML, and after that HTML, language, English, and after that head, close the head, body, and then close the body, and then close HTML. Now all the code's in black because you didn't save it yet. Go file and save. Now write tutorial 2 tutorial 3 dot extension HTML. The file name, it doesn't matter what you is gonna use it. Any kind of file name is accepted, but you have to write it .html and save. Now the color is changed. Then close. When you double click in the file, nothing, because you didn't write any special code, only you write the structure of HTML. And when you want to edit the code or add something to the code, right click on your website and then click open the with brackets, and then you can write a code here and then close this. Save. I hope you like this video. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel.